Welcome to My Cyber Coach, a video series designed specifically for veterans like you who are considering a transition from military service to a career in cybersecurity. I'm your host, Jason Shockey, and I'm excited to help you make the leap from service to cyber. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the series. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting trends in cybersecurity, automation. Automation is transforming the cybersecurity landscape, allowing professionals to handle more threats faster and more efficiently. Today we're going to explore how automation is changing the way we secure networks, detect threats, and respond to attacks. Cybersecurity is constantly evolving, and so are the threats we face. Attackers are becoming more sophisticated, launching hundreds or even thousands of attacks every day. It's simply impossible for humans to manually handle each of one of these attacks. That's where automation comes in. By automating routine tasks, cyber pros can focus on higher-level decision-making while leaving repetitive tasks to machines. From monitoring networks to responding to incidents, automation speeds up response times and reduces the chances of human error. Let's take a look at some of the key tools and techniques used to automate cybersecurity tasks. Security Information and Event Management Systems, SIEMs. SIEM platforms like Splunk and Elastic gather and analyze log data from your network. These tools automate the process of detecting suspicious activity so you can identify threats quickly. Security Orchestration, Automation, and Response, SOAR. SOAR tools like Palo Alto's Cortex-X SOAR or Swimlane integrate into your existing cybersecurity systems to automate threat detection, analysis, and response. These tools help security teams respond faster and more effectively to incidents. Automated Threat Intelligence. Tools like Threat Connect or Anomaly automate the gathering and analysis of threat intelligence, feeding that information into your security organizations. This allows teams to react in real time, knowing exactly what threats are emerging. Scripting and APIs. Many cybersecurity tasks can be automated using custom scripts and APIs. Whether it's configuring firewalls, running vulnerability scans, or even isolating infected machines, a well-written script can save time and improve efficiency. Now that we know about the tools, let's talk about the skills you'll need to get started with automation and cybersecurity. Scripting and programming. You'll need to be comfortable with scripting languages like Python, Bash, or PowerShell. These are essential for automating tasks and integrating various security tools. Cloud platforms. Since many automation tools are cloud-based, understanding cloud environments like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud is key. You'll need to know how to deploy and manage automation in these platforms. Cybersecurity certifications. Certifications like Certified Automation Professional or CompTIA Security Plus will help you understand the fundamentals of both cybersecurity and automation. You may also want to explore certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker to strengthen your security knowledge. For veterans transitioning into cybersecurity, automation is a great area to explore. Many veterans already have strong technical skills from their military experience, and automation can help you apply those skills in new ways. Cybersecurity automation allows you to leverage your problem-solving, technical aptitude, and attention to detail, all of which are skills you likely honed during your military service. With the growing demand for skilled professionals who can manage automated cybersecurity systems, veterans are in a great position to make a successful career transition into this field. Automation in cybersecurity is an exciting area to explore. It's transforming the way we protect systems, allowing professionals to respond faster and more efficiently to threats. As a veteran, embracing these tools can help you stay ahead in the rapidly evolving world of cybersecurity. Find your perfect role by completing a quick survey at mycyberpath.com and kickstart your cyber career. Thanks for watching My Cyber Coach. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.